Okay, I happen to have a little piece I just remembered. And so that, hey, that was the other thing. The pieces upstairs were a different pattern too, huh?
Yep. It never even occurred to me till we went up there.
They were just slightly different, so
it never even occurred to me.
You could use one of them as your backing piece if you wanted, the old one. Whichever. So he's gonna use that to patch it in, and his carpet scissors are pretty good to do that. Okay, so patch your carpet in. And he's going to take his glue and he's going to get that done. He's going to fix that up just like he did with those. We're going to let that set just like how it is.
Let it set overnight and it should be good.
We're going to let it set overnight, yeah, like you said. So yeah, if you got a small little patch up against the wall, you couldn't really do a patch. I would never recommend doing a little patch like this out in the middle of a room. If you got a tear, or so, maybe if you got a tear or something and it's straight, you might be able to glue it with this type of glue, huh? What do you think, Dan?
Yeah, you might be able to. This glue will do a lot.
But if you have a whole patch and you want to plug it, I mean, worst case scenario, if you want to plug a piece of carpet in the middle, a little 2 by 2 inch piece, somebody ripped something or a hole got through it for some unknown reason, yeah, if you had some carpet, you could probably do it this way. It's not really the best way to do a patch, but if that's all you got a little bit of carpet latex white glue adhesive, go for it. Well, the carpet looks a whole lot better. All the puckers are out now. Everything's up tight against the wall again. The carpet's been patched over there by the registers. Everything's cleaned up. Well, we got to still vacuum in here. And much, much better. Well, thank you so much, Dan, for coming out here and helping me make these videos on how to repair the carpet. I really appreciate your help.
Glad to help you.
Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. Not quite sure what I'm going to talk about next time just yet, but stick around. I'll find something to show you.